Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you one of my favorite drinks, and it's the San Pellegrino. This is the dark morello cherry and pomegranate. This is delicious. If you like cherries, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna be opening it, and I want you to see why I love it so much. First of all, I love that sound. I want you to hear how much carbonation it has. And once you pour it on your cup, you're going to see that there's no coloring on this drink. You're gonna get a nice, healthy, carbonated water. You see all that carbonation. This is so delicious, and it smells amazing. I mean, it smells like cherries. It has pomegranate and cherries, but I do feel like the cherry pops out a little more. I also love the flavor of this. So I'm always looking for things that are on the healthier side, maybe no sugar, low sodium, and all of that good stuff. I love drinking this alone. You can pour a little bit of ice. Pellegrino has a variety of other delicious flavors. I promise they're all so good, but for some reason, cherry is like my favorite one. But that's just my point of view.